Hey guys, it's about 4 o'clock and today has been nuts. Nuts since the get-go about 6 a.m. when I went over, did a live stream of the truckers convoy, the 1776 restoration movement. They had an arrest. Their leader was arrested. You're gonna see some of that. You can also look at my live stream. Then we caught Marine One. We also caught Air Force One. Then we caught another protest and a bunch of arrests down at the White House. And we have another Marine One coming in shortly. I'm gonna edit a bunch of this, probably do the other Marine One tomorrow, who knows. Let's go take a look at what happened today.
So there's the big trucks down here by the Capitol building. Let's go see if we can wander around a bit. So what the police officer was saying is that you cannot park commercial vehicles at a metered spot in the District of Columbia. Commercial vehicles need to be parked on private property in the District of Columbia. It cannot be parked at a metered spot. So that's why those vehicles were forced. See, they got their Bearcat over here and all their units. Here in DC, they don't have the ones like we're used to. And the trucks were forced to move.
Alright guys, breakfast is made for the kids. I've had a shower. Now I can go out and film the stuff I was gonna film today before the trucker convoy showed up. If you haven't seen that, I did a live stream. I did a video this morning and a live stream. And if you didn't hear, the police moved in, arrested the leader of the group, and dispersed the trucks. And they're not very happy right now. But let's go out, go down on our normal route around Washington and see what we can see. Takes about a minute.
See, it's the top. See the blade going around?
No, they keep them down over there.
Right at it. Right at
Guys, I was heading out to Andrews as I do sometimes to catch Air Force One, but it took me 10 minutes to get out of the city itself, let alone the 10-15 minute trip out to Andrews. So I decided I'm gonna go down, plop myself down on the river with my big lens and hope we get lucky. Hey guys, I'm on the Anacostia River down by the South Capitol Street Bridge, and hopefully we're in position to see Air Force One as it comes out of Andrews, which is about 10 miles away, but we brought the big lens. Let's see what happens. If I can't see it with this, no one's gonna see it. That's the eagle's nest back there. The eagle is going back home, unless it gets called out on a search and rescue or medevac later. Yep, back in my favorite alley because I feel like barbecue today. I was gonna get a burger, but I've had enough burgers the last few days. Let's go get a pulled chicken. Back to what is right in the universe. Barbecue chicken. So guys, police have blocked off the roads up here by the White House. Protesters have taken over the road and I think they're gonna get arrested soon. I'm on a bike race down here to show you this. So this street down by the White House, H Street, at 16th Street, the climate activists have taken over the road and it is, well, I think they're gonna get arrested shortly. That's why I'm rushing down here on a bike now and we'll see what we can do, we can show you. They're still blocking the road. Police have not arrested them yet. Let's see if we can go down a little closer. Oh, maybe they're gonna come up on their own. No, they're still kind of in the road. No, are they gonna clear? Well, I just got here and they've all cleared. So I get all the way down here and now they're done, I guess. Tell them to get some water and shade. To be honest, it is really hot out on that road. So, I guess they're done. Maybe. He offered to arrest them, but they didn't want it. They wanted to go back, so we let them go. So we're down here at the White House now. The climate activists went to the fence and a group of police officers are kind of following them. Maybe they're gonna let one of them go. He's interviewing one of the protesters, but there are still a couple cops coming. I don't know where they're going.
So the police have set up a perimeter around one of the protesters. He doesn't really know it right yet, but he's about to get arrested. He has an outstanding warrant for blocking traffic. It seems to be a popular arrest today. So the police are arranging their paddy wagons. They're back over there. You can see them all setting up, and these guys got an eye on him. There's another one down there, got an eye on him, and he's right over there on the fence. So we'll see what happens. Down there, a DC police car is being brought in for the arrest. They're K9ing the police car at the moment. So they're doing a K9 check of the DC police car, then they're going to bring him in for the arrest. Here they come. Must be the arrest team there. It's the guy in the Nirvana shirt. I think he knows. They're moving in. Clear on the park. They made the arrest. And police got him. Post-arrest check of her bombs.
2 hops this time.
So there's 2 in custody. 1 is in there, right at the door. They're still processing him. A lot of cops. Hey guys, so I'm back. I finished editing. What a day. Kind of crazy. We still actually have Marine One coming back in about an hour or so. I'm iffy if I'm going to catch it. My kids are asking to take them to the grocery store. My youngest wants to make some dinner tonight. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching What Happened Today. I never know what's going to happen each day. I just go out and try to film stuff, so feel free to subscribe. Tomorrow might be another boring day. We might just go look at old houses and try a new restaurant, or something crazy might happen. Just never know. All right, thanks a lot, guys. I see you soon.